Assalamualaikum my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I'm your English teacher. Take out your English practice book. Open page number 26. Question number 2 is use the verbs in the box to show how people might speak in situations listed. Remember to use singular verbs with single nouns and pronouns. Okay, here we have some options like cry, weep, stammers, murmur, laugh, screams, whispers and speaks. Now we have to write these words under the correct blank. Number 1 is I dash when I am in pain. So when you are in pain, so what type of thing you do? We start weeping. Weep means like shed tears. Weep is more about tears. Let me show you a picture. As you can see in the picture, this girl is weeping. So it means that when we are in pain, we start weeping. So write weep in the first blank. Here is weep and I wrote weep over here. Second is children dash when they are sad. So when children are sad, what they do? They start crying. Cry is more about the sound. Let me show you the picture. As you can see in the picture, this little girl is crying because she is sad. So here's the word cry and I wrote cry over here. Third one is Hassan dash when he is hiding a secret. Okay, when we are hiding a secret from someone, so we start whispering. Whispering means a soft tone of voice. Let me show you the picture. As you can see in the picture, these kids are whispering. So here's the word whispers and I wrote it here. Fourth one is I dash when I am in a bad mood. So when we are in a bad mood, we start murmuring. Like murmur means low sound or speech. So here is the word murmur and I wrote it over here. They dash when they are happy. When you are happy, obviously you will laugh. Laugh means when you are happy, you give a loud sound. Let me show you a picture. As you can see in the picture, these little girls are laughing. The word laugh is here and I wrote it over here. Zahid dash very loudly. Zahid speaks very loudly. So the word speaks is here. Let me write it over here. So Zahid speaks very loudly. She dash when she is angry. So when we are angry, we start screaming. Scream means a loud sound that we scream in anger like. As you can see in the picture, the boy is screaming. So the word screams is here. I wrote it over here. The last one is Tom dash when he is nervous. So some people stammers when they are nervous and some are born with the stammering problem. So the word stammers is over here. Let's write it. So Tom stammers when he is nervous. Stammers means to make involuntary stops and repetition in speaking. So as you can see that the subject is I, so that's why we haven't put S or ES over here. Secondly, the word is again the subject is plural, that's why we are not putting S or ES over here. In the third blank, Hassan is a singular subject, that's why we wrote S with the verb. In the fourth blank, you can see the subject is I, that's why we haven't put S or ES over here. The E1, as you can see, they is a plural subject, so that's why we haven't put S or ES with the verb. The third last is Zahid dash speaks very loudly. So as you can see, Zahid is a singular subject, that's why we wrote S with verb. She screams when she is angry. So she is a singular subject, so that's why we used S with the verb. And in the last one, Tom is again a singular subject, so that's why we used S with the verb. So I think this is clear to you. I think this is enough for today. Thank you so much my dear students. Allah Hafiz.